Hi, this is Zak Mir with the US Chartbreakers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Thursday, the 25th of May. Starting off with the S&P, where we're still recovering from that bull trap through the 4,200 level. Looking for support for this market around the 50-day line, 40.90. Below that, then obviously a test of the 40.50 area. But at this stage, hoping for 40.90 to plug any losses. Through 4,200, looking for 43.50 over the following 1 to 2 months if we ever get back above 42. 100. Moving along to the stocks, and first is Abercrombie, and here you can see that the shares have gapped up quite dynamically, basically hanging around the old April resistance around $28. Above that, looking for as high as $36 over the next 4 to 6 weeks at the top of that rising trend channel from back in May last year. So pretty decent there. Stock which we covered here before, which seems to be doing well at the moment, is Enveric Biosciences. Here we've got the shares hitting the first target there around the $5 level. Above that, looking for a retest of a November resistance line projection, and the spike yesterday up to as high as $7 by the end of next month. The longer we stay above $4, the better the picture here looks at the moment. Moving along to stock which is a new one here, Movella. Here you can see a nice U-shaped turnaround here. Good consolidation above the rising 50-day moving average, currently around 1.55, above $1.55 rather. Above that, looking for at the top of that March rising trend channel, as high as $3.30 as soon as the end of next month, and hopefully a bit sooner, because this does look like a pretty strong setup indeed, especially after yesterday's key reversal to the upside. Stock also on the front foot at the moment is Neovolta, and here another key reversal to the upside, just above the 50-day moving average, now rising. Above that, around the $2.10 level, we're looking for as high as $3.70 as soon as the end of next month. Nice turnaround there, bear trap from below the old initial 2022 support there, around the $1.95 level. Moving along, and next contender is Palo Alto, and here a nice gap to the upside above a rising 50-day moving average. We've got a target there at the top of that rising trend channel from back in December, as high as $2.30, hopefully by the end of next month or even sooner. Upside valid while we hold above the $195 area, basically yesterday's support zone. And stock which is also new to the Chartbreakers is Reata Pharmaceuticals. Here we've had a rather strange price action, but that should have flushed out the bulls and hurt the bears. Here we're at end of day close above the 50-day line at $92, and above that 50-day line looking for as high as $115 by the end of next month. Obviously that massive gap to the upside, another handbrake turn in terms of the price action. This is obviously an island reversal, a bear trap island reversal that we have to power the shares ahead. Just the last three. First one of the three is coming up, Shengfeng, and here you can see we've got a rising trend channel. Probably need to draw that line a bit more accurately, but to the top of that channel there, heading towards $10.80. We'll see that by the end of next month, while we're above the floor of the channel, currently around $6.20. So hopefully that will pan out. Urban Outfitters is the next on the list, and here we've had an unfilled gap to the upside. Obviously the initial target there at the top of that rising trend channel hit on this particular situation. That channel there around the $32.60 level. Above that, on an end of day close basis, looking for as high as $37 by the end of next month, which is the top, which is a June 2022 resistance line projection. Upside valid really as long as we're above that we're on the right side of the $30 mark. Vislink is the final stock of the day, and here got a solid turnaround within a broadening triangle base that's been in place since December, above the 50-day line at $6.50. We've got an initial target here around $9, and basically after that we could hit $16, but as soon as the end of next month if we follow through. It's also a bear trap, a gap close signal as well, so we close that gap down, that exhaustion gap at the beginning of the month, and that should provide, or has provided, strong momentum. That's it from me today. More updates tomorrow.